The mayor was on TV the other day saying that there's going to be 15 new cameras, hidden cameras, that placed at what they figure are the 15 worst dumping sites in the city of Detroit. Yes, you would think. Seems like this would be one of them, the northwest corner of the southwest side. And yes, it does look clean.
Nothing here.
And they're doing the street clean on Friday. Well, it's been cleaned up one more time. Is there a hidden camera? Who knows? It's incredible. The corner has stayed clean for a week, over a week now. What passes for clean anyway? Okay. The corner has been clean for what, a week and a half now?
They come and clean it up every once in a while now.
Well, this time it seems to be sticking. About time, isn't it? Yes. Maybe the sign is working after